This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on a school computer. First, it is crucial to review your school's acceptable use policy regarding software installation and gaming. School computers are typically configured with robust security measures and network filters to ensure a safe learning environment. These systems often prevent unauthorized software from being installed or run. Understanding these policies is your initial and most important step. Many popular games, including Roblox with its over 380 million monthly active users, offer web-based versions that do not require installation. You can try accessing Roblox directly through its official website using a browser. Additionally, some cloud gaming services stream games to your browser, potentially bypassing local installation needs. However, school networks often employ filters that can block access to these gaming websites and services. 2, 3, 4, 5. Another approach involves using portable applications, which are designed to run without needing to be installed on the computer's hard drive. Theoretically, you could run a portable Roblox client directly from a USB flash drive. However, school computers are usually configured to prevent executable files from running from external storage devices. Furthermore, administrator privileges are almost always required for such operations, making this method generally unfeasible. 6, 8, 11, 12, 14, 15. It is important to remember that school IT departments implement these restrictions for valid reasons, including network security, resource management, and maintaining a focused learning environment. Attempting to bypass these measures can result in disciplinary action, loss of computer privileges, or even network instability. The most reliable and recommended way to enjoy Roblox is on your personal computer, tablet, or phone during your free time at home. 7, 9, 12, 13, 14.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.